Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to ask a question on Reddit. To ask a question on Reddit, first of all, open up your Reddit application on your device. From the home page, tap the Create button at the bottom of the screen and select the community from the drop-down. After choosing the community you are trying to post to, write down the title of the question you are trying to ask. Now, after writing down the title, in the body area, you can go ahead and elaborate your question, describe your question a bit further, and finally, after you are done, you can go ahead and add any kind of attachments or photos if you'd like, and after you are ready to post, click on Post at the top right. And right after you do that, you will be able to ask a question on Reddit. Now once you do that, your post will become visible to the community immediately. The position on the subreddit feed depends on upvotes, time posted, and engagement. Users can comment with answers, questions, suggestions, or opinions, and you will get notifications when someone replies. And that's how you can easily ask a question on Reddit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.